How to track your items on Life360. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Life360 app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on the key icon in the middle. After you've clicked on the key icon, which is the third option, you'll find items. Click on Add an item. After that, here you'll find different options. Add your tiles, shop tiles. If you already have your items, click on Add your tiles and enable permission for Bluetooth. Press on Enable. After it's enabled, you will need to activate your tile. Press the button on your tile and it will activate and add item. You can also click on shop tiles if you don't have one and get it. And this is how to track your items on Life360. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.